If you start selling on Amazon, your most likely sourcing method is going to be online arbitrage. And this just means we buy products from online retailers and we then sell them for more on Amazon. And the reason this method is most popular for new sellers is just because it's the easiest and it has the least amount of risk. You don't have to spend thousands and thousands on products. You can buy just a few, 5, 10 units, and you can learn the processes of Amazon FBA without having to buy hundreds or thousands of units of different products from a wholesaler or from a manufacturer in China. But one question we always get here at Profitl is which website should you be using for your online arbitrage sourcing? Well, today we'll be showing you some of our favorite websites. Some of these you've probably never heard of, some of these I'm sure you have, and we'll be showing you our absolute favorite one at the end. So make sure to stick around till then. And if you did take any value from this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We post Amazon FBA videos every single Thursday, but let's get into the websites. So the first website we have is actually from a brand. They only sell their own branded items, and that is Smiggle. They also have a high street presence as well, so you can also do retail arbitrage where you actually go into the shops. But Smiggle is a great website for online arbitrage, and the reason for this is because they're often running really good sales on their website. Realistically, you won't find many items not in the sale which work for Amazon FBA, but their sales section is always very good. And let me show you an actual example. So this product you can see on the screen is this bright side pop-out pencil case, which we can buy for £6 each. It was £13.50, then £10, then £6. Now let's head over to Amazon. This exact same product is selling for £17.95 each. So what does that mean for us? Well, let me show you the data on the Profitl Chrome extension. So that means 108% return on investment, £6.47 profit per unit. Now this price is likely to drop, so our profit would drop a bit on this one, but we have a great wiggle room on this item. Really decent sales as well, 64 sales a month and 8 FBA sellers. So that's Smiggle, a great website for online arbitrage sourcing. Let's move on to website number 2. So up next we have Boots, another one where they have an online and a retail presence. Not so good for retail arbitrage generally, but online arbitrage is fantastic. Their product catalog online is way bigger than what you can pick up in store. And Boots is another great one for Amazon FBA because they're also often running deals. This product I'm going to show you is one which is an offer. It wouldn't really work if it wasn't in an offer, but it's on for 3 for 2 in Soap and Glory singles. So it means our unit cost is £6.99, but if we're obviously buying them in multiples, we're going to get that discount. So our unit cost would be about £4.66 per unit. Let me show you this exact product on Amazon, where you can see it's selling for £14.55. So buying it for £4.66, selling it for £14.55. Another product with great profit again. 112% return on investment, £5.23 profit per unit, 80 sales a month, 6 FBA sellers on this listing. They've got 27 in stock between them. And Boots at the moment, all these Soap and Glory product singles are in this deal. So if you don't like the look of this one, there's tons of other potential deals out there which you could be sourcing right now. Now, before we get into our third website, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive discount code for our YouTube viewers to get you started with Profitl. We're going to make it pop up just here. That's going to save you either 20% on monthly plans or 5% on yearly plans, and yearly plans already have over 50% off. If you don't know what Profitl is, well, it's what I've been using on the screen to analyze the deals, but we also have a DealFinder as well to help you find deals like these, a wholesale scanner, the most amazing Discord community, and loads of other stuff, account manager, deal of the day, all different things, all about trying to help you become successful on Amazon. So make sure to take that code down. You'll also find it down below in the description. So moving on to our third website, and this one is Smyths Toy Store. So this is a great website because toys are very popular on Amazon, but they also have a great sales section as well. So you'll see most of our deals here come in the sale, not all of them, but a large proportion, because it makes them, because they need to be in the sale for them to be profitable on Amazon. So this product here is this Paw Patrol ATV. It's £6.49, usually £9.99. On Amazon, it's selling for £15.98. So what does that mean for us profit-wise? 62% return on investment, £4 profit per unit, really good sales, 148 a month. Now that 148 sales per month is for this whole listing, just to see what proportion of sales this exact ASIN is actually going. But we love Smyths for online arbitrage. We source loads of products from there, and you should be using it as well. Now let's get onto our fourth website. You definitely would have heard of this one. This one is TK Maxx, or if you're in the US, TJ. TK Maxx, not sure why they have a different name, but in the UK it's TK Maxx. And this is a great website for both online and retail arbitrage sourcing. Most people don't know about the TK Maxx website so much. Of course, they're well regarded for their actual physical shops, but we use TK Maxx loads for online arbitrage. And let me show you an actual product. This one we've got here, which we can buy for £5.99, and on Amazon it's selling for £14.50, so almost triple the price. It's not a huge seller, this one, only 16 sales a month, but a decent profit, £3.56 profit per unit, 59% return on investment, 4% return on investment, and 4 other FBA sellers on this listing, so not too much competition. Now, we're about to get into our last website and also our favorite website for online arbitrage sourcing. We find so many deals on this website, and this is one you may not have actually heard of it until I started doing Amazon FBA. And the reason this website is so good is just because they run great deals on their products, great offers. The discount codes just show up on the website. The website, which is our favorite for online arbitrage sourcing here in the UK, is Notino, and Notino is a website for beauty products. So let me show you an actual product, which is a deal at the moment. So it's this Lash Accelerator Endless, and here you can see what I mean about the discount code. So this is usually, well, it's actually usually £8.20, and it's discounted to £3.20. But with the code BRANDS, we can get this for £2.24 each. And they just show you the discount code on the page right here, so you're never gonna miss it. So we're buying these for £2.24, and we're selling on Amazon £6.45 each. So that means a 96% return on investment, £2.16 profit per unit, 50 sales per month, 3 FBA sellers on this listing. And the Notino are great. They have such a huge catalogue of products. We can spend hours and hours looking on Notino, and we find absolutely tons of potential deals. Now, the only downside with a beauty website like this is if you're new to Amazon FBA, you're going to need to get ungated, and beauty can sometimes be harder to get ungated in, but as long as you can get ungated, it's not too difficult. We'll link a video just up here which shows you the processes which you need to take in order to get ungated. It can be a fantastic website for online arbitrage sourcing, and we'd really recommend to use it. So they are our pick for some of the very best websites for online arbitrage sourcing here in the UK. We really hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please do hit the subscribe button. It really does help our channel grow. And if there's any other videos you'd like us to make, please let us know down below in the comments. But that's all for today. We will see you in the next video.